Come on, Mike,
no.
you gotta stay awake. 911, somebody call for somebody unconscious? Yes, yeah, he just keeps falling asleep no matter how many times I try to wake him up. Okay, do you know if he took any drugs?
Oh my
Absolutely not. He would never do anything like that. Okay, what about any alcohol? I mean, I don't know. Not that I know of. I just don't understand why this is happening.
That was fun.
Are these his Ambien?
Yeah, he just got those the other day to help him sleep.
Beautiful.
You know, I think we're good here.
Awesome.
Perfect.